got this partnership stuff.
Okay, but do you watch the screenshots? Do you see the image that I showed earlier?
No, I did not. I did not
Okay.
see the image.
Okay, let's wait at the end. At the end, let me go over it again, small, so that you can get a recap. Let me give you a recap at the end.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
Sarumi Abdul Fattah Sarumi, please, let's hear from you.
Okay. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good. Okay, thank you. First of all, I want to thank you for the opportunity given tonight to speak with you and to join the valuable lesson. Now, all I want to ask is that there was a time you placed an advert about recruiting people into your organization, which some of us applied. I want to believe some people are shortlisted because we have not heard about that again. That's one. So
Okay.
number two is that should I go ahead?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So number two is that the issue of network marketing or affiliate marketing, I want to believe is part of what we gain in this school that we are. Thank you.
Okay, the first one is, it is not really something that is important for you to start telling others that you have actually taken someone that you want to hire for your position, right? It is not necessary. If you do not receive an email thereafter, it means that you are not shortlisted. All right. So, and it is not something that you now come and start displaying that even people that joined this program the first time, when one of my guy from one of our company, when he came here and hired some people in our group, the people that he do not hire, he do not call them. There is no need. The people that he hired, he called them, and I think they are with him now. Is there anybody among them that is there now, that is here now?
Yes.
Okay, you guys are with him now, right?
Yes, for the e-commerce company, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. So thank you for responding promptly. So sir, Sarumi, there is no need of me coming to say that I another person. No, it doesn't make sense, right? Then the next thing is regarding affiliate marketing and network. Me, I don't do affiliate marketing. We are not doing affiliate marketing in this place. If you know this place, we are here for Facebook ad and e-commerce. We don't do affiliate marketing here. Do you understand?
I understand. Thank you.
So we are not doing affiliate marketing. It's Facebook ad and e-commerce that we are doing here.
All
okay.
Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. So the next people that have questions, let me there is Adebanjo. Sorry, if I didn't call your name right, please Adebanjo, please ask your question. Okay. There is Dauda Kende. Please ask your question.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
My question, good evening, sir. My question is similar to the question the first lady asked. Concern the fact that I didn't join very early, so I didn't get the actual messages from the beginning, so I don't know which question to ask. So that's why. But since you said you are going to give a recap at the end of the class, so I'm actually waiting for that.
All right, I'm going to give a recap.
All right, thank you.
All right. So the next person is Salahu. Please ask your question.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, my brother.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Good evening, everyone. Please, my first concern is that I've not been able to access my courses on my dashboard.
Why?
I've been to the first two courses, which is time where you talk about time and mindset. So, but I was admitted to hospital, so I was sick. So, but I'm fine now. So I want to access the course again, and my dashboard show me 000. So I don't know what happened.
You log into another account. It means you created 2 accounts earlier. You log into another account and you have only 1 account. Go and log into the original account. Your courses will forever be there.
All right, sir. My second question is that concerning the objective of the courses that we are taking, is he only focus on being your partner, or we can stand on our own to do the e-commerce and Facebook ads, or is the objective based on being your partner?
Okay, it's like you do not understand from the initial, right? See, any training that they will give you that you cannot stand on your own is useless. Even if you become a partner, you must be able to stand on your own.
All right, sir.
You understand? So the reason why I'm talking about partner here is that I have opportunity for my mentor to choose me to be his partner. So, and I already have a partnership with somebody already in here, which I've mentioned on something else. Is not e-commerce, right? Then I'm saying that on Q2 next year, which is the second quarter, I'm also going to pick 2 people here based on commitment and people that are really taking the program serious for partnership. As a result, you start working towards it, but you can start on your own. And if possible, you can even form a partnership with someone within here. But that is not the most important thing first. The most important thing first is for you to know the concepts, focus, learn everything is already at your disposal. Okay?
All right, sir. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So I think we have answered pretty all the questions. So before I go and recap, let's go to the question bank and check the questions we have there today. Then
the network here is doing me shaggy.
Then we answer those questions. Then if there's any other person that have question, we'll respond before I recap whatever I recap. Then we start. Then we close for the day. I'm coming. Let me share my screen in the question bank session. Question bank, yeah. Okay, can you guys see the question bank?
Yes.
Okay, please. The person that write this second question, should go down. I should have been down. That's one. Another thing again is it should have been down now. I think this is something that you can easily understand. Another thing again is that I cannot come here and be answering questions that you can easily ask in Google and Google will answer. We need to answer. Answering technical questions is what we are here. What is this one again? That when creating Facebook ad, I understand that you don't need a website. Can you just use a landing? This one is a good question. This is a technical question. Who is disturbing us with his mic, please? Adebanjo, you are disturbing us with your mic, please. Okay, so this is a good question to ask, but this second question is something you can go and ask Google, and Google will show you now what is the difference between a Meta Business Manager and Meta Business Suite. Anyway, we are going to answer it, but please, you should ask more technical questions that you cannot easily get answer to them, questions that are like very important for you to use. This one is, there is nothing really much important here, but to start with, right? The first question is, when creating Facebook ads, I understand that you don't need a website. Can you just use your landing page to generate leads without Pixel? That is the question that question the person is asking. Okay. Now, what is Pixel in the first place? Let's talk about Pixel. Pixel is like a snippet of code that you input in your website so that Facebook will record data that are going in and out of your website for the purpose that you are going to use that data in the future to optimize your ad and to get better result. So the pixel is helping you collect data that you can use later in order to get better result with your ads. Why? Because if you don't have pixel, you will not be able to get data of people that click through, people that went to your website, people that click the URL, people that do this. And later in the future, you can use those details to create lookalike audience. Because obviously, as time goes on, your ad is going to go into fatigue. Fatigue in 3 months, your ad will go into fatigue, right? You use your data, the data you get from your pixels, to create lookalike audience, which is like a cold audience again. As you go in the course, you are going to see how to create lookalike, how to set everything up lookalike. You are going to see it. Then you also use your pixel when you want to do remarketing, retargeting, all those things. Okay, so your pixel will also show you if your ad is profitable or not. So why will you not set up pixel? Right? Then another thing again, if you set up pixel, Facebook gives you a better result at a lower cost. So why will you not set up pixel? When you already have a landing page, why you know, even if you don't have a landing page, you can set up pixel for WhatsApp. So please set up pixel. All right, you can do it without pixel. Obviously, you can set up a Facebook ad with landing page without pixel, but it doesn't make sense for someone that truly want to run ad. Doesn't make sense. You have to set up pixel, please. All right, the second question is, please, what is the difference between a Meta Business Manager and the Meta Business Suite? Okay. In Meta Business Manager, that is where you have assets like Facebook Pixel, like Facebook page, like Facebook ad account, right? And you manage all those things in Meta Business Manager. Now, the Meta Business Suite is that part where you see you are able, it's like a place where you can be able to manage your Facebook account, your Facebook pages, your Instagram account, your Instagram pages. You can respond to comments, you can create posts in Meta Business Suite, and even schedule it that the post will go live so and so time, the post should go out so and so day. You can schedule, you can create a post and say that, okay, this post should go live both on Facebook and Instagram, and you can give it a time. It is like a place where you control both the Facebook, Instagram, and even your WhatsApp. You can create WhatsApp status from if the WhatsApp is connected, right? You can, Gabriel, if you want to ask, if you are, except if you are not part of our community, but if you want to ask questions, you should always put it in question bank. But if you are not part of the community, that is when I'm going to answer it for you. Okay, so the pixel and the business suite, it is like where Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp are connected. Where the ads manager, Meta Business Manager, right? That is specific where ads are run, where you run ad and all that and all that. Okay. So I think we have answered these questions. These are the questions we have today. Please ask more technical questions, okay? Questions that are much more, this is something that you cannot easily find, and like that, you should ask those type of questions, okay?
Salam alaikum, sir.
Alaikum salam.
Sir, the question I want to ask is about the landing page.
Okay.
So before, I've been using my landing page for like 3 months now. Although I'm not using it to sell, I'm just using it for practical. And anytime I tested it, it is okay. But unfortunately, this about 2-3 weeks ago, the landing page is not the form is not, the checkout form is not working again. So it will just be telling me to enter shipping address. So I don't know the meaning of shipping address. I don't know. So I just.
Which landing page are you using? Builder are you using?
I'm using Catflow. Catflow.
I don't even know that one. So what it simply means.
Elementor.
Oh, you are using WordPress?
Yes, I'm using WordPress.
Good. So the form, that form that you are using, what is the name of because the WP form there is Ninja. These are the two that I know. What is the name of the form that you are using?
The name of the form I'm using is Cat Flow.
Okay, card flow.
Yes, CART then flow.
Okay, most likely is like maybe you are doing trial. They have trial period and they have paid period. So you were using the trial version before, and now the trial has expired. They want you to pay money for the premium.
No, I'm not using trial version. I was had by someone added me to uh, their domain group. I'm using a
Domain,
pro version, not a trial version.
I'm coming. Okay, the card flow. You are using a pro version.
Yes, yes.
Have you asked the person that asked you if the thing has their payment has expired and they have renewed? Have you asked the person?
Okay.
Yes, now you need to
So it
ask the
can
person.
be the cause.
Yes, definitely. They ask you to add your shipping details. It means it's money. You need to pay money now. Okay? The WordPress you are using, why not go and use Ninja Form, which is free? Ninja Form, it's there free. There is the Blue PV form. You are in our program already. Go down there where I talk about how to develop landing page. They are all there. You can check it out.
No,
All right.
Esther, I'm not in the page program because the time you talk about I couldn't purchase
Okay, okay, okay. I
the
understand.
thing because of money. So I don't
Okay,
even know
okay, I understand.
anything about it.
Okay, 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 okay. So maybe if you have time, anytime you have now we have even closed registration. If not, anytime you have money, you will have joined us, right? So what action you should do now is to go and ask those people that okay, it's like your card cash flow, been a card flow has expired, or have you guys renewed it or something, because that is obviously what the problem is now, right?
Mm.
All
So what
right.
is the name of that one that you said is free?
It's Ninja, Ninja, Ninja form.
Am I going to I will okay, I will include it in my WordPress, right?
Yeah, you are going to download it as a plugin. Then
Plugin,
you
okay, okay.
as a plugin, then you will be able to create you create this thing, a form with it and embed it on your website.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Mm.
if you find difficulty, go and check video on how to use Ninja form on WordPress on YouTube. You are going to find a guide, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So
There's just
Gabriel
fire.
asked Gabriel asked question here. He said, please, sir, I have a question. Why is it very difficult for Facebook to allow your Facebook page for ads? Can I use my Facebook profile to run ads? Why is who told you that Facebook is allowing it's difficult for Facebook to allow your page for ad? Why? Who told you that one? Right? Your page is easier to use. Who told you that one? How there's nothing, there is no any restriction, in fact. Right? It is like Facebook don't allow new account to run ad when it is still new. Okay,
Yes,
if you
so yes, I can testify to that, sir.
if your account is it the account or the page that is new?
It's not the page that is new. I think Facebook has already they have upgraded some things in their form that if you're like me now that I'm a new user, I'll
Mm.
just if I want to run the ad on my Facebook page, by the time I
Mm.
started seeing some things, they have changed some things there, Sha, that I cannot even understand. I'll just leave it.
Mm. Mm. Even today, I've created new page and I'm running ad with it now, just right now. It's not. Okay. You can create a page today now and start running ad with it. All right. It is Facebook account that you cannot create now. If you create now and you want to start running ad with it, it's okay. But the problem is that Facebook is going to start suspecting you. And if K is not taken, they are going to ban your account. All right, but it is possible too. But Facebook page, you can create 10 Facebook page now, and all of them you can start using them to run ads. So I think we are done with that. So right now I'm going to recap what you have, what I said from the beginning, then we close for today, right?